Hi. Every time we get behind the wheel in the morning, we don't know what surprises the road is preparing for us. The DVR and surveillance camera record hundreds of incidents, curiosities and unexplained moments every day. In this video I have collected for you the most vivid and unexpected moments, many of which you will see for the first time. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Let's go.
You will never get into such a situation because I wish you good luck.
By purchasing a racing car, refrain from the temptation to ride with the breeze, especially in urban traffic conditions. This car lady decided to go down the steps in her car like a movie star at the Cannes Film Festival. But something clearly went wrong. The loader should always be in excellent physical shape. I see the goal, I don't see any obstacles. It is not known how long this driver pushed this concrete parking sphere in front of him, but in the end he parked again and apparently for a long time. The next time you decide to block someone's car with your car, remember this. Another video from the Parking Hero section. Bewilderment is caused by the owner of the car, who blocked the exit of the SUV, and the driver of the SUV himself clearly in a hurry somewhere. Have you ever seen a racing car with a trailer? Yes, and it happens. How lucky this driver was, only a few millimeters separated him from depression. Registration in a car service is no less strict than an appointment at a polyclinic. If you squeeze through without a queue, then you will be in trouble. The very case when a small problem turned into a big one. It is better not to leave the house at all on such days. A racing car is not only a luxury, but also an opportunity to make a fire without the help of matches. The shrub, of course, is a pity. The very case when you don't have the patience to wait for the automatic gates to open. The nerves of this driver are definitely stronger than the hood of his car. And this driver was in such a hurry to get to the pharmacy that he decided to drive right up to the checkout. Give him something to calm him down. Traffic rules exist even in the underground parking. But unfortunately there are violators here. One of the most important tips is to close the trunk softer than the hood. Failed. But this guy's behavior raises more questions. He's obviously frozen. Really strange reaction. As my grandfather taught me as a child, first press the brake and then do the rest. Apparently, the hero of this video clearly did not pass this school. But he was clearly refreshed on a hot day. A colleague came to the rescue and told him exactly, first you need to squeeze the brake. There is a simple and quick way to remove the muffler. And at the same time with the bumper. A child's birthday is perhaps the main holiday for any parent. But after the holiday you will still have to visit the nearest car service. Every second on the road is important. If this car had passed a second later, the consequences could have been sad. Probably, this guy missed his childhood. Do you remember how we crashed into a pile of sand on our bikes from acceleration? We all remember the plot of the movie Final Destination, and so far such cases cause us these associations, fortunately this time without consequences. A new model has appeared in the line of the automaker Porsche, the author's garbage assembly. Many functions are not available, but the steering wheel turns. This driver was informed that his car was blocked due to a violation of parking conditions, but apparently it does not bother him much, and it will be easier to replace the wing than to pay a fine. Well, or 2 wings. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this video has lifted your mood a little. Subscribe so as not to miss new videos. Don't forget about likes and comments too. See you soon. Peace.